How to fix Messenger's emoji problem. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the problem of emojis on Messenger. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly, what you need to do is go to your settings and under application management, you need to clear the cache performance of Messenger for its better and smooth performance. So click on settings and then scroll below to search for applications. Click on it and click on manage apps. Then there you need to search for Messenger. After you find Messenger application, click on its storage and there you will see the option of clear data. When you click on it, choose the option of clear cache and click on OK. After that, you need to go to Google Play Store and make sure the version of Messenger available in your mobile phone is up to date. To search for Messenger application in search bar, and if you see the option of update, click on it. And that's all. That is how easily you can fix the problem of emoji on Messenger. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.